How to run descriptive analysis on data frequencies in SPSS. A descriptive analysis of data frequencies is the most fundamental in data analysis. It serves as a critical point, providing descriptive statistics to help the data analyst better understand the character of the data used. Descriptive statistics describe your data with a summary and quantitative information on the values, central tendency, dispersion, and distributions of the data. Based on this, the data analyst can decide the next step to take. To run descriptive analysis on data frequencies in SPSS, open the SPSS Data Editor. The tab on the first row displays Menu, File, Edit, View, Data, Transform, Analyze, Graphs, Utilities, Extensions, Window, and Help. On Analyze menu, you can see a long list of options for data analysis, including power analysis, descriptive statistics, and direct marketing. Further down on descriptive statistics, you can see several aspects to analyze, from frequencies to QQ plots. When you select frequencies, a window will pop up advising you to get data to complete the action. In SPSS, you can get data from a local folder or the cloud. Click Open to access the location. In my local folder, I have profit.saf. I click on the file and click Open to continue. On the data view, I can see there are three variables. They are EMP2, industry, and profit. If I press Ctrl Enter, I will go to the last row and find 1,822 cases available for analysis. On the variable view, I can see that the variable names in the first column use small letters and numbers. There is no space between letters and number because it is considered illegal in SPSS. In the second column, I can see that the first two variables, the EMP2 and industry, are numeric, while the third one is dollar. For some reason, the data width in the third column is different. The first variable has 2 decimals, while the other two have none. To remove the decimals, I click down or type manually. As discussed in the previous tutorial, the label in the fifth column provides descriptive information on what each variable name means. Apparently, EMP2 refers to the number of employees and profit is estimated. It is not the actual figure. In the sixth column, I can see that only the industry has values, which makes it a categorical numeric. To see the values, I can click on the 3 dots next to the values and scroll down to see all the values. I can click the plus button to add a new value or an X button to remove one. Subsequently, I can click OK to save the changes made or cancel to exit the pop-up window. In the seventh column, there are no missing values. It means the analysis will take all the cases even though some may have missing values. In the 8th and 9th column, there is no difference among variables. The column width for each is 8. All are in the right alignment. However, as you can also see in the 10th column, the measure is different due to the data type and the values assigned to the variable. The number of employees and the estimated profit to the industry use scale. For this reason, they are available for descriptive analysis. How about the second variable, the industry? Even though it is numeric, it is categorical. The measure is nominal, which is not suitable for any mathematical calculation. To include the industry in the descriptive analysis, you should first transform it from categorical to continuous or discrete numeric. Let us discuss it later in the upcoming tutorial. Regardless of the data types and measures used for each variable, all serve as input. Now, as you get familiar with your data, you can start descriptive analysis on data frequencies in SPSS. Start the descriptive analysis on data frequencies of the number of employees and the estimated profit to the industry. Click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. Another window will pop up listing all the variables in your data. As previously mentioned, you can only run the descriptive analysis for continuous or discrete numeric using a scale or ordinal measure. To run descriptive analysis on data frequencies of a single variable, click on the suitable variable in the left box. Subsequently, click the arrow button to move it to the other side. To run descriptive analysis on data frequencies on multiple variables, click on one of the suitable variables. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the next one. Click the arrow button to continue. Alternatively, click on one of the suitable variable, press Shift on your keyboard and click on the last row of your list. This option can save you time if you have numerous variables to include in your analysis. Click the arrow button to continue. Selected variable will move to the other box on the right side. If you mistakenly included a categorical variable or you want to exclude any variable, click on the variable listed here. Click the arrow button to move it back to the left box. To configure the settings for your analysis, click Statistics. Select options for values, central tendency, dispersion, and distribution. Click Continue. With SPSS, you can have the output of the descriptive analysis on data frequencies with or without visuals. Click Charts to see the options. The visuals are available in bar charts, pie charts, or histograms. You can get the values presented as frequencies or percentages. Meanwhile, for the last one, you can see the normal curve. Click Continue. Depending on your selection, you can also order the output by values or counts, ascending or descending. For descriptive analysis on data frequencies on multiple variables, you can ask SPSS to compare them. Alternatively, you can have the output organized by the variables. If you decide to have the output of your descriptive analysis on data frequencies presented in tables, you may select Style to format the cell background and text within the tables. The logic is quite similar to the cell and text formatting in Microsoft Excel. However, it is much easier as SPSS allows you to click and select from the drop-down menu. Click Continue. Otherwise, click Cancel to go back.